welcome back to Pharaoh Ironing Customs. I'm Michael, and today we're back at it with another WTF Wednesday. And today's talk about it, or WTF, or what do you think, was inspired by a comment that my buddy Mike over at My Car Shop made about the content on his channel. He recently also gotten a Bridgeport for his shop and made the comment about trying to keep things in a way that people would normally be able to do in their home garage with just normal hand tools and stuff that was readily available and easy to acquire. And in my opinion, I honestly like that, because a lot of times I'll watch a video and they'll pull you into this video about how to make this fill in the blank, whatever tool you want to make, or part for your car or whatever. And the first thing they do is they either go to a mill, or they go to a lathe, or they go to something else that's, you know, several $1,000s or something that's not really easy for the normal person to have at their home. So that's something I kind of have always tried to do on my channel, is use tools that are readily available. I do have a few things. I have an Everlast TIG welder that was probably, it wasn't quite as much as I paid for the mill, but it was getting on up there. But everything else has been bits and pieces of stuff that I've acquired over the years. And even the mill, I did not do bad on the mill. I actually feel like I got the mill at a relatively decent price. And it's something that I've always wanted. And that's kind of the point of this video, is the mill is a tool that I've always wanted for my home shop. I also want a lathe. And I don't mean that Chinese mini lathe over there either. I have jokingly said in the comment section that I will probably turn that into chips on this mill when I get a real lathe. But for the time being, I've got to make that lathe do the job it needs to do on my channel. But the question I have today for everyone watching is, what tool do you not already possess that you would like to have for your shop? Or, you know, what tool do you have? I know Gary at Gary's Car Stuff, I think he works at like a car club. They have a shop, I believe, if I'm not mistaken on that, Gary. But what kind of tool would you like to have that you don't have? Like I said, for me, this was a huge thing. The mill was huge, and when I find me a nice lathe, real lathe, not, like I said, not a toy, that's another big thing that I want for my shop. So yeah, in the comment section down below, what kind of tool do you want for your shop that you don't already have? It can be something small, it can be something big. Anyway, I've been out for a few weeks. I've been doing a little work in the shop, trying to get things straightened out. I've still got a lot of work to do. I have been sick for probably the better part of a week, and I'm still kind of hit and miss being over it. So I'm going to try to get back in the normal schedule of Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday if I can. Matter of fact, I'm about to record Friday's video today, and y'all will see that video on Friday. But anyway, like and subscribe. Leave that comment down below. Tell us all what tool you'd love to have for your shop. And I'll see y'all later on in the week.